Hi guys, it's Kayla from Craftables here, and today we are going to be looking through the Uniquely Creative Kit for Holly Jolly Christmas. This is a great traditional Christmas kit. It's got your reds, your greens, your poinsettias, everything like that. Everything you'd expect to see in a traditional Christmas kit. So we've got rid of some of the plastic and we're just going to jump straight in. So to start with, let's put all of these extra bits and bobs over to the side, and we'll start with the papers. So you of course get your magazine with plenty of ideas on what you can do to use all the things that are included in your kit. So that's in there. Then we have 2 sheets of fussy cutting sheets. We've got these ones. So you've got your phrases, you've got your decorative little bits and pieces. So that's in there. And then the other one is your watercolor sheet. So this is printed on watercolor paper, which means you can use any watercolor medium you like to color them in. So your paints, your watercolor pencils, whatever. You don't have to use watercolors, but it's an option, and those are really gorgeous. Next up we have this fantastic glitter sheet. Isn't she sparkly? So that is in there as well. That's A4 size. Then we've got our 2 pieces of 12 by 12 cardstock in white, so white on the back and white on the front, and you've got 2 of them. Right, now into the paper pack. So we will pop that off to the side. So this paper pack comes with 16 double-sided patterned papers, and you get 2 of each paper. So you've got side 1. Oh, look at that little bow in the corner, isn't she cute? Side 1 and side 2. We've got side 1 and side 2 there. We've got side 1 and side 2 there, so that one's got that gorgeous motif down the bottom. We've got side 1 and side 2 there, so that's like a really great collage sheet of Christmas carols, which is really lovely. Oh, I like this one. We have got, oh, both sides of that are great. Side 1 and side 2. So this one, see if I can focus in on it. Got teeny weeny bows and teeny weeny pine cones. That's adorable. I love those sheets. Those are really beautiful. Oh, hello Santa. We've got side 1 and side 2. So we've got Santa and his little reindeer there. We've got side 1 and side 2, so there's your fussy cut sheet, which has got, oh, the Christmas cookies are really cute. So you got some pine cones, some Christmas cookies, some leaf bits and bobs. You've got some tags at the top there, and you've got 2 sheets of that. And finally, oh, we'll put that one on top. Side 1 and side 2. So again, you've got slightly less fussy cutting. You could do this with your trimmer, but you've got all of your, oh, the Christmas tags. Clever, just got that. You've got your Christmas tag sheet, very useful. And you've got 2 of that one as well. So those are all the papers included in the creative kit this month. Let's get into some of the extra bits you get. So we've got our wooden embellishment sheet. So you've got your pine cones, you've got Christmas memories, and Christmas Eve. Sorry, it took me a minute. So we've got that one. Then we've got our stamp, which is a great little pattern stamp. So you've got your circles and your triangles up there. Next up we have the die. Now this says Merry Christmas. It is a little difficult to read backwards, but that does say Merry Christmas. And it's a nice really skinny little one, so that'll be super useful. Next up we've got some bright gold pearls, which are lovely. Then we've got some flowers, so you've got little red ones. Oh, hold on. There we go. So you've got the little red ones and the little white ones, which are really nice. Pop them there. Then we have a spool of this great stripy, sort of like a canvas feeling ribbon, and I'll show you how much is on the spool there. So you've got heaps of that, which is fantastic. That's really lovely. You can use it for your craft projects, or you can use it to wrap up your presents, whatever you like. Next up, we have this little Ziploc bag of wooden embellishments. So we've got, oh, hold on, let's pair these up, won't be a moment. Okie dokie, so these are your little wooden embellishments that you get as well. So there's 3 of each, and I think this kit, for some reason, we have 4 birds, but you should, I believe you get 3 of each, so that's really cool. Next up, we have the creative cuts. I'm not going to open that up because there's just so many in there, but as you can see, they're very sort of traditional Christmas bits and bobs. I will post a photo on Instagram of the whole lot spread out, otherwise it'll take up too much time in the video. So, but I will post a photo on Instagram if you want to see what's included in there. Next up we have, oh, hold on. Next up we have these nifty little leaves. So now I believe that the different kits, there's no guarantee that you'll get these 3 colours. I think they also have like a silver that they include in the kits, but you will get 3 gorgeous colours of these leaves, and you get quite a few there as well, as you can see. So there are plenty there for you to work with. Pop those down there, and then finally we've got these super cute little button flares. So we've got a Santa, we've got a star, we've got a reindeer. He's adorable. You've got Merry Christmas, you've got a poinsettia, and then you've got that sort of traditional Christmas jumper pattern. So that there, hold on, let's pop the papers in. Magazine up there. So that there is everything you get in this month's uniquely creative kit. It's the Holly Jolly collection, perfect in time for Christmas, and it's a very nice traditional collection. So if you're more into traditional Christmases rather than, you know, the slightly more modern ones we see with pastel colours or blues or whatever, if you're really keen on your reds and your greens, then this is definitely the collection you should be using this Christmas. Anyway, that's all I've got for you today. I will see you guys later. Bye!